to dive right into it because you have a sprawling booth at CEDIA Expo. Can you give us a virtual tour?
Yeah, we do indeed. So we're back at the show again with a 60 by 60 footprint, so a very large booth. We've got 6 demo spaces as well as a host of other new products that are going to be on display this year. This is probably one of the biggest product launches that we've had, and I've been here nearly 10 years now, and we've got more than 24 new products. So it's very exciting. Of course, we've got all of our brands in the booth. So we've got products from JBL Synthesis. We've got a very big launch from that this year. We've got some new loudspeakers from our JBL brand as well as our Revel brand. We've got a host of new products for home theater and hi-fi from Arcam, and even a couple of things from our Mark Levinson and Harman brands. So there's a whole lot to see here.
So why don't you tell me about some of your demo areas? What can we expect to see and hear there?
Well, we've always been known for having some pretty amazing theater demos, and I think this year will be no different. One of the things we always do is a huge over-the-top theater with a high channel count, big immersive audio setup in there. We will not have that this year, and instead what we're doing is multiple smaller setups, and part of that goes along with some of the new products that we're introducing. So we've got a couple of new 16-channel surround processors as well as the 16-channel AVR that we'll be introducing. And so in our JBL Synthesis room this year, it's a variation on one that we had last year, but we've expanded the room, and it will be a 9.1.6 channel theater, kind of set up more in a media room type environment. So this is about an 8 to 10 seat theater as opposed to the 15 to 20 seat that we normally have. So that's what we're going to do for JBL Synthesis this year. We will also have the Arcam living room setup that has been a very big hit at the last couple of shows, and that's been upgraded as well, but that will have a 7.1.4 system in it. And then we actually have a third theater room as well that's also a 7.1.4 that's going to showcase some new JBL loudspeakers for us. So quite a bit going on.
Are they in a variety of price points?
Yeah, absolutely. So the synthesis room is probably, well, not probably, definitely is the most expensive of those. The room that we've been showing, and we've had this at the Nashville ProSource meeting, we've had it at CES, we had it at CEDIA last year, and that was a room that was around $58,000. This year, because of the increased channel count in that and some new products that we're showing in there, that room's going to be a little more expensive, probably closer to $75,000 or so. And that would be the largest of it. So it's down obviously quite a bit from the several $100,000 that we usually do in the big theater there. And then when you get down to some of the smaller ones, we're down, $15,000, $20,000 for some of the smaller demos that are in the booth. So certainly covering a wide range of price points there.
So what are 1 or 2 new products that are just going to knock our socks off?
Well, I think from JBL Synthesis, one that I'm super excited is the product that is called the SCL5. And this is a new loudspeaker that joins the Synthesis Custom Loudspeakers, is what SCL stands for. And we've had a range of those. We've won a lot of awards for them. They sell very, very well for us. And what we're doing is now taking the current one, the SCL3, is the one that's been used for high channels. And it's probably a fairly large, 16-inch square footprint. And what we've done is basically take all of that same technology and get it down into a round in-ceiling speaker that's just a little over 12 inches in diameter. So it's a much, much smaller footprint. But what I'm really excited about it is there is not an in-ceiling speaker on the market that can do what this one does. It's all of our proprietary compression driver technology, our HDI waveguide technology, packed into a relatively small footprint. And I'm super excited about that product. And I think everyone else will be too.
Well, I guess we'll have to see it for ourselves.
Absolutely.
Can you tie it all together? What does it mean to have all those brands under one marquee brand?
So for us, it's really our kind of theme this year is empowering your possibilities. And for us, with the brands that we have, we can cover a lot of territory and a lot of needs that people have in, whether it's 2-channel systems, home theater systems, distributed audio. We've got solutions for a whole host of audio products in there, and a couple of new categories that we're going to be introducing this year as well too. So including some loudspeaker technology that we can't show you because you can't see it, but you'll be able to hear it. So joining that category as well too. So I think for us, what we're very excited about is, again, just we think we offer some of the best solutions out on the market. We've got amazing brands, amazing partnerships with our dealers, and I think some of the new products that are really going to be at the forefront of technology. That's what we're excited about today. So we're hoping that everybody can stop by and get it as excited as we are about these new products, and really start thinking again about what they can do with their showrooms, what they can do with their clients, their customers, are really taking everything to the next level.